Teacher, my mom's birthday is fast approaching, but still I can't decide on what kind of gift to give her. A flowchart? What is that, teacher? How can a flowchart help me with my problem?
Step 1. You want to give a gift to your mom for her birthday, but you can't decide on what gift to give her. Step 2. Go to the gift shop. Step 3. Inside the gift shop, you will choose a gift. Do you think, is this your mommy's favorite thing? Step 4. In this part, you have to decide. You just have to follow yes or no. Step 5. If no, choose another gift. If yes, you have to buy it.
Wow, I never thought a flowchart could be that useful. Can I apply it to my love life as well? Just kidding. What is the importance of a flowchart? The Terminator. It is represented by an oval. It appears at the start and at the end of a flowchart. The process. It is represented by a rectangle or a box. It represents an individual step or activity in the process. The decision. A diamond represents a decision. A process that needs a decision of yes or no requires a decision box. Arrow lines that are drawn in one direction, preferably from top to bottom, keep a flowchart clear. We read a flowchart by following the lines with arrows from shape to shape. And this is an example of a simple flowchart structure. Flowcharts help us to understand the sequence of a process. It can be used as a tool for training and can help us identify problems.
Wake up, Karen. Breakfast is ready. Get up and fix your bed. Your modular class is about to start.
Hi. Okay, Dad, I'm coming. Please wait a second. I'm still sleepy. Will I go back to sleep or attend my modular class?
What shape is this? Did you say oval? Did you say box or rectangle? Is your answer a diamond? Perfect! The answer is a circle. Did you say line? Correct!
In this game, we have a cat, a rat, a corn, and a boat. You have to move the cat, rat, and the corn to the other side of the shore using the boat. The boat can only take one item. multiple crosses are allowed. Be careful! When the boatman is not around, the cat will eat the rat or the rat will eat the corn. You only have 3 tries to finish the game.
Tries. Oh, the first step you did was to move the rat. Second, you move the corn across the river, but you must take the rat back to the other side. Then you took the cat to the other side where the corn is. And finally, you took the rat back to the other side again.